On this episode, we leave Kalgoorlie Rocks, where we've camped for 2 days, and make our way east to Kalgoorlie across the Great Eastern Highway. Kalgoorlie Dam was built to provide water for the steam trains bound for Kalgoorlie. The dam and Flume Aqueduct are well preserved, and there are interpretive signs along the walk trails to learn more about the history of this once busy town site, now a popular camp.
On the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new parachute. I got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, oh my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who tried to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. New look, got the ladies shook. New watch saying it's my time. These magazines wanna feature me, cause they know I'm on the rise. Get the attention, I'm on a mission. Cause ever since I flipped that switch, my power can't be denied. Oh my.
Here we are, take 5. We are about 150 k's, maybe less, from Kalgoorlie. Beautiful clear day, absolutely stunning. Just checking out the pipeline and gonna hit the road now, and we have a nice accommodation booked. Hotel, hot shower, bring it on.
Buy me a crown, oh my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now. This is my world now. So anyone who tried to write me off, tell them they can go and write this down. This is my world now. gonna make it more like this now. This is my world now. And this is my world now. And this is my world now. And this is my world now. This is my world now.
On the edge of Kalgoorlie sits the Super Pit, one of the largest open-cut mines in the world, 3.5 kilometres long, 1.5 kilometres wide and over 600 metres deep. The Super Pit's history stretches back to 1893 and the Gold Rush era, when Paddy Hannon discovered 100 ounces of gold in Kalgoorlie Boulder. This sparked the WA Gold Rush and the discovery of the Golden Mile, one of the richest gold deposits in the world.